What is up, guys? Welcome back to Prep Street. Today I'm going to show you guys how to luxe up your bedroom. With everything that comes with your products, the ones that you purchase, you don't have to spend a lot more money on homeware essentials. Your bags, your ribbons, the boxes that your products come in. You can use all of these things to luxe up your bedroom and get that luxe feeling that you get when you put on your clothes. So the place where you naturally sleep and rest can look just as good. Guys, let's get into it. First off, guys, candles. Candles can be something very expensive if you go the route of Deep or Jo Malone or even higher end brands. But what I found is I went to IKEA and I got those €1, €2 candles, and then by using the ribbons that I get from various luxury purchases like La Durée, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, and a whole bunch more, I just wrapped them around. And I actually learned this from another content creator here on YouTube. I thought it was genius. He even used it on pillows. My ribbons are not that big. I've tried it before, but I can't seem to get it to work. But I've used it here on the candles, and I think it works amazingly well. I'm just gonna insert a couple shots right now. You guys can see what's up. And again, guys, this is not something that you need to buy. This comes naturally with the products that you get. So enjoy. Next up, guys, we have the magazines or the product catalogs that by purchasing at these high-end luxury stores, you tend to get in the mail every so often. I have a couple from Louis Vuitton, I have from Hermes. One time I got a bunch from Versace. I was so happy. I just displayed them all over my room. Different locations, guys. Coffee table books as well. These are great for that. And a couple of other things, not particularly due to luxury brands, you can also get on Amazon. I got these books, Little Book of Dior, Little Book of Prada, and actually I got the Chanel one. These are like a 3-piece set, but it got lost. This was during quarantine. I got my money back, and right now, to be honest, I haven't really gotten around to it, but I do want to get it. I'll insert a picture of it. The Versace ones add such a rich tone, such a rich palette of colors, bright reds, and the crown or the tribute one, I absolutely love them. Another item that you don't need to spend anything other than what you've already spent on the product is the box that it comes in. Shoe boxes, bag boxes, wallets, they often come in the tiny ones, so it's very easy to just display them around the bedroom and even make them useful. I know I have. Everything in my room serves a purpose. I try not to have any empty decorative boxes. I always use something inside of them to make them more practical. Or a shoe cleaning kit. I have my MacBook's charger inside one of them, my hard drive, various things. I display them on the shelves, on my desk, on the other desk, and even here on the centerpiece that I go to every morning before I get ready. I have my car keys even. It's very practical, and I urge you guys to not toss these in the corner of your closet and really try to make them useful. All those pictures you see on Instagram of the beautiful decorative bedrooms, they have the Chanel books or the Tom Ford books. Guys, this is an option that you don't need to spend money on. Coat hangers, display cases, whatever you want to call them, the shelves. These things are not luxury related, but it's furniture related. Guys, you can use these to showcase your most precious, your favorite items. I have my hats hung up on this coat hanger that I have, my Coach umbrella, bags as well. They're not particularly my favorite items, but it's just very practical to have them handy. On my shelf, I have pretty much everything. I have boxes, I have the candles, I have the bags, the shoes. Everything is serving a purpose here. Nothing is empty like I just showed you before. I even have I'm a big Apple fan, so I try to do the pyramid. I have the AirPods, the iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and the watch. Once more, guys, something that is not luxury related. It doesn't have to be expensive. You can go to IKEA and get these, set them up, and then just display your most precious items. Yet another thing that you don't need to spend any money on is using the bags that you get from your purchase. Guys, a lot of these bags are very high quality, so it's not like you're hanging up a plastic bag from the grocery store, right? These things are very well manufactured, they have texture, they're very pop in terms of color. If your bedroom lacks color, I think this is a great alternative instead of paying for something like, for example, paintings. For now, the bags, these are not serving a purpose, these are just decorative. Unlike every other thing that I've just shown you guys, has things inside it that I'm just keeping for keepsake. You can nail them to the wall like I have done, or you can set them on top of your desk, wherever you like. These will add a pop of color and give off that subconscious feeling that you just went shopping because you're seeing bags all around you. And that makes me feel good. At least for me, it works. I love the look of it. I display my two favorite ones on the wall, my Cartier and my Hermes bag. And then the rest, I just have them scattered around the tables. Saving the best for last and the most expensive out of all of this are my Versace plates. And overall, guys, coasters. Oftentimes these brands sell these really small plates. I use them to put on my bracelet. Some of them I used to put on my cup of tea, cup of coffee, whatever I'm having. And they're just very decorative. It's very easy to just plop them on a desk and make them look good. I have two Versace plates. One of them I got free from attending an opening here in Lisbon when the Versace store first opened. That was amazing, getting a gift and turning out to be something so amazing like this plate. The other one I purchased myself a couple of months ago. I think it's a great way to showcase more of your love for your favorite brands. I know Versace is definitely my favorite when it comes to homeware. It's not that expensive. These plates retail for around 40 euros, 50 euros, something like that. It's very easy to go overboard with this, guys, and make your bedroom look tacky. The thing here is to not make it look tacky. It's to make these things work with your furniture, not to turn your bedroom into a luxury store. So guys, that was the video. I hope you liked it. Comment down below what was your favorite use of the things that you already had, because here I was really trying to show you guys how to spend the least money possible. I mean, everything that I pretty much showed you either came free with the product, such as the books that I get in the mail every so often, the bags, the ribbons, everything can be useful, guys. Buy a couple of candles, nice looking ones. The plates, they're not that much more expensive, so that would be like a reasonable purchase. But overall, guys, I hope you liked it. You learned something, you're gonna use these things in your bedroom. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later.